Hello friends, my name is Anuj and today I want to share something really important for students in 2026. If you're feeling stressed about studies, exam, notes or time management, then this video is for you. See, studying hard is good, but studying smart is even better. And today's smart students are using AI not to cheat, but to understand better and save time. Now let me show you some amazing tool that can truly change your student life. First, imagine if all your notes and timetable and revision were perfectly organized in one place. That's where Notion AI comes in. Notion AI helps you write clean notes and plan your daily schedule and even summarize long chapter into short and simple points, which makes revision super easy before exams. Now, next, what if you never miss a single point from your lecture again? Here comes Otter AI. Otter AI records your lecture and online class and convert everything into text automatically. So later you can revise peacefully without tension. Now if you're learning coding and feel stuck again and again, this tool is very amazing. GitHub Copilot works like your AI coding partner. While you type code, it suggests the next line and helps you understand logic, which is perfectly made for beginners who are learning step by step. Now, what if you can't make videos and presentation without learning editing? That's where InVideo helps you. We just write what you want, it creates full video with visuals and voice, saving hours of work for students and creators, and much more. And if you like creative projects and modern looking video, this tool is amazing. Runway ML. Runway ML lets you create video, effect and edit just by using text, making your projects look professional and futuristic. Finally, what if you don't feel confident recording your own voice or you want your content to sound clean and professional? Here comes the another tool, Element Labs, which converts simple text into very natural human sounding voice, which is extremely useful for presentation, reels and faceless video. Remember one thing, these AI tools are not shortcut, they are smart support system. Students who learn to use AI wisely in 2026 will always stay one step ahead. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be uploading more videos like this.